Hello everyone, today I introduce to you a product from Xiaowin, Smart Inverter 5000. This is a product induction heating system, very intelligent to remove glue or paint from the car. This is catalog, you can see. We have the three version: 5000 Twister, 5000 Classic, and 5000 Deluxe. Different code here. It's a different accessory. Example, Twister you have a body and only one accessory is Twister. 5000 Classic you include 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 accessory, and Deluxe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, this is catalog. And this is Deluxe version, meaning just if you have a accessory inside. The first is 5000 Twister, meaning just you have a body and his Twister inside here. 1, 2, 3, and we have a 4 mods here. This is Glass Genius. You can see Glass Genius here. Okay, Glass Genius here. Window pane 2 here. This is metal release here. And this is accessory for 5000 Classic. Okay, now wait a minute, I can check the weight and dimension of product. Yes, now we check the weight of Smart Inverter 5000 Deluxe. 17 kg, 716.5 kg for Deluxe version. And this is Classic version. You have 2 box. Yeah, like this. For Classic version is 12.5 kg. Yes. And this is the Twister version. Only one box. Weight is 8.9 kg. Yes, this is the Twister version. And this is dimension of 3 version. Twister Deluxe is 37 to 29 cm. Classic is 48 to 29 cm. Classic 50 a little different. For Deluxe is 50, 68, 29. Classic is 50, 48, 29. And Twister is 50, 74, 37 and 29 cm.